it's me again, and welcome back. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4 challenge. So we're gonna introduce playing some new update because they say update, don't press the button 4. I see some aliens, and when is that a bacon? I'm a bacon too. This is really my avatar. There, it's a bacon. I'm not a real bacon. I'm a normal bacon. Okay, let's just start playing now. I got much coins in them, but they got not much coins. Oh my god! They got much coins. Wait, see this easy. Wait, this is the new update. I never seen this before, so this might be the new update. Rah! Ah! Why this so slippery? Yeah! Wait, where are we going? Where are we going? Rah! Rah! Oh my god. This is so fast. Oh! I fall. What wobbly? How to survive? How? 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 Daddy, this is my name. Ah, what is this banana sleeping? What happens if I go to the banana? Oh. I found it! I found it! No. There. Okay, I must reset. There. Survive. Okay, everyone got in for the Santa. Right, Santa? Yes. Oh no, he left. Thank you. Yeah! It scares me. Huh? What? Bro, exploded, girl! What? Your legs, girl! You don't have legs, though. Wow. I'm just gonna run around like crazy. Take cover under the umbrellas. Oh. Okay, it's gone. Where is it now? Wait, who's the name of? Oh, it's him. Shut. What you dad? You see your dad. La 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 la. Yeah. Are you sure? Oof. Haha, he died. That's what you get for getting too much coins. Bruh. Don't touch the spikes. Bruh. No. Sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, I don't know where to go. Sorry again. I should avoid it. Okay. Sorry. Rah! Okay, sorry guys. I'll stop cough. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No! She said she wouldn't, but I saw her die. Sorry. Get to the water. Yeah. Yes. Look at my health board. Okay. Next one. Rob the bank. Okay, this is the last round, baby. Okay, I don't want to waste my health board. Yeah. I need to escape the blank. Well, this is all the time for this. Well, this is all the time that we save it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up and see you on the next video. I like this game and don't forget to comment down below. Bye, and yo. Bye, Mrs.